Tag det på kacha, tag det på kacha. Hi, my name is Brian from Denmark, your tech friend with an unboxing of the Zenfone 10. I'm just gonna do this as an impressions video because I love unboxings. So first up, you just get this simple plain gray box. Let's unbox it. The casing is just some white plastic, so there are no rip-offs anywhere as far as I can tell. So I'm just gonna rip off the plastic like this. And now we're down to the business end. Let's see, I don't even know what configuration or color I've got this in, as it is my first collaboration with Asus. I'm not gonna be overly friendly, but I'm not gonna be overly critical either. First of all, we gotta remember this is sort of a technological masterpiece, just cramming all this top-end spec into such a little form factor of a 5.9-inch phone. Let's see what you get in this little gray box. You get in the user guide and you get a cover. Let's have a good feel for this cover. There's a big smooth plastic here, I can assure you this is a good part, I can tell. So, it's kind of a hard casing. And otherwise just black, plain black. And the user guide, let's put them aside. Let's just put the phone aside also to see what you get more inside the box. USB-C to USB-C and a big old charger. Let's see how much we're charging here in. It should be a 30-watt charger because that is the fastest that the phone will charge. It also will charge 5 watts reverse charging and then 15 watts wireless charging. But let's see. To me, it looks like I got the black color. And let's not tell anybody I was hoping for the green color, right? So let's do the peeling. Whoa. Okay, it's very, very pequeño. Let me just get something plasticky things that just gonna be pulled off right away. There you go. So my first impression, it has a very rubbery backside. Let me just, so you can hear it. And it's got the flashlight, of course, and the two main lenses. On the side, you have a power button on or off, or that also doubles as a fingerprint authentication. And some swiping gestures. I, by the way, have seen that. Volume up and down, let's have a listen. Sturdy as you want it, and that fingerprint authentication on the side where I personally like it a lot. But it comes without any screen protector as far as I can tell. On the other side, nothing. On the top, of course, you have the 3.5mm jack. And that is, of course, a gigantic, hooray! SIM card tray, mic, USB-C, and loudspeaker. I must say, by the way, there's another loudspeaker up here. And then you have the selfie camera right up here at the very corner. And also, let's just try and fit the cover real quick. Yeah, it makes it more like a brick-like feel, but still it's a small phone. I just want to point out that I had the Zenfone 8 and it was one of the loudest phones I've ever heard. It could outplay even the Samsung S21 Ultra, which had some of the loudest speakers at that time. So I'm looking very much forward to taking this into use. While I power it on, I'll just find another small phone for you to compare with. There we have the power on. This first small phone I'm gonna compare it with, the HTC Cha-Cha. No, we're gonna step our game up a bit. The Samsung S5 Mini. Remember that one with the kind of odd backside also? Ooh, very nice. Then let's step into the present with the iPhone XR. Do we have the same kind of height here? Well, it's still smaller than the XR and a far bit more narrow, and then we'll just step it up even some more. This is the Motorola Edge Neo. How do they compare? It's also smaller than that one, also by quite some margin. And then let's try the Pixel 6a. This is a 6.1 incher, and even that one is a biggie compared to this little small Asus. It really is a small phone. If you want to see a comparison, I'm gonna do one with the OnePlus 11. So if you want to watch that one, please do subscribe. The reason why I'm doing this is because they use the same chip. So it's a bit of an interesting comparison. Also on paper, the Asus should have a subpar camera setup, but it has the gimbal stabilization. So we'll try some moving shots also and see if it can't outcompete the OnePlus 11. Let's find that out. Yeah, that's it. My name is Brian from Denmark. You're a tech fan. Please do subscribe for that comparison.